let's face it, traditional gift giving can be a hassle. You gotta find the perfect card, battle the crowds at the store, and hope they like that scented candle that you secretly low-key hate. But what if there was a way to give money that felt personal, fun, and, most importantly, convenient? Enter Venmo, the social payment app that lets you send and receive money with ease. But did you know Venmo can also be your secret weapon for gifting cash in a way that's anything but boring? Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of Venmo gifting, showing you exactly how to turn a simple money transfer into a mini celebration. Why gift on Venmo? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why Venmo is a great gifting option. Here are a few reasons to consider. Instant gratification. Forget waiting for checks to clear or packages to arrive. With Venmo, your gift appears in the recipient's account instantly, perfect for last-minute situations or those times you need a quick pick-me-up for a friend. Free. Mostly sending money through Venmo is generally free, as long as you're using your Venmo balance or a linked bank account. There are some minimal fees for using credit cards, but for the most part, it's a budget-friendly way to give. Personalization power. Venmo lets you add a little pizzazz to your gift with custom notes and, wait for it, gift wrapping. We'll get into those features in a sec, but trust me, they'll take your Venmo gift from meh to marvelous. Convenience is king. Let's be honest, who has time to run errands these days? With Venmo, you can send a gift from the comfort of your couch, in your pajamas, no judgment here. Alright, how do I do this? Now that you're convinced Venmo gifting is the way to go, let's walk through the steps. I'm using the Venmo app on my phone here, but the process is similar for the web version. Open the Venmo app and tap the big blue Pay or Request button. This is where the magic happens. Select your recipient. You can either search for their name or username, or choose someone from your recent transactions. Enter the amount you want to gift. This is the fun part. Decide how much generosity you're feeling today. Time to personalize. In the What's This For section, write a cute message explaining why you're sending the gift. Birthdays, congratulations, just because the possibilities are endless. Here comes the best part, Venmo gifting features. Now, let's take your Venmo gift to the next level with some cool features. Gift wrap it up. Tap the little gift icon next to the payment amount. Venmo offers a variety of animated wrapping paper designs, from festive birthday themes to celebratory confetti. Choose the one that best suits the occasion, and voila! Your cash gift is now a virtual present. Gift card bonanza. Did your friend mention they were eyeing a new pair of shoes or a fancy coffee maker? Venmo has you covered. Tap the gift icon again, but this time select gift card instead of cash. You can choose from a wide range of popular retailers and brands, letting your friend pick out exactly what they want. Sending your Venmo gift. Once you've added your personal touch, and maybe some virtual wrapping paper, all that's left is to hit the pay button. Your friend will receive a notification with your message and the fun animation, if you chose gift wrap, letting them know they've got a Venmo surprise waiting for them. Venmo gifting do's and don'ts. While Venmo gifting is awesome, here are a few quick tips to keep in mind. Be clear about the gift. In your message, mention that it's a gift to avoid any confusion. Respect spending limits. Be mindful of your friend's financial situation and your own budget. Skip the guilt trips. A gift should be given freely, so avoid using Venmo to pressure someone into spending the money on something specific. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.